Hello everyone, welcome to LimeGuru channel. In this session we will learn that how you can merge multiple photos into one single video, how you can combine multiple photos into one single video using MoviePy package in your Python program. So first thing what we are going to do is, let me show you certain images onto my left hand side. So I have certain images, image 1, image 2, image 3, which is inside images folder. So image 1 is this, which has one bulb, image 2 is a flower, and image 3 is this beautiful view of water and mountain. So we are going to concatenate all these three images, the bulb, the flowers and the mountains or water, into one single video. All these three are images we are going to combine together and we are going to create a video. So in order to use MoviePy to achieve this task, we are first going to import MoviePy editor, MoviePy package. We are going to import all the modules from the MoviePy editor. Then next what we are going to do is we are going to create multiple clips. So this is my list of clips which is empty right now. Then I am going to create clip 1. Clip 1 is image clip because I'm going to create from my image and the input is the path of my image. Image is /image1.jpg, and I can set the duration also, that in the video for how much seconds how I want to keep this image. So clip 1 will be my first clip for 2 seconds. Similarly, I have done for clip 2 for 3 seconds and clip 3 for 4 seconds. So I have created 3 clips. I'm adding all these 3 clips into my clips list, which was empty right now. Now I have added all these 3 clips into all these clip 1, clip 2 and clip 3 into clips. And then is the main part which is specific to MoviePy editor. So MoviePy editor, what we'll have to do is we'll have to concatenate all these clips using concatenate video clips, and in that I'll have to pass a list of image clips which I've created. So I've created 3 image clips in a list. So I've passed all the clips list inside this, and the method is compose. After that I'm going to write this as an output. My images are concatenated into video file. Now I have to write into a video file output. So the function is write video file. What would be the name of my output file? The frame per second you can set, and codec and audio codec if required, all those things you can set to write it into a video file. So this is the program to concatenate all the images into one video file. Let me try to run this program now, and we'll see that output will be created with the name video output.mp4, which is not there right now on my left hand side. You can see. Let's try to run this program now. So the program is running. You can see it's processing. The processing is done. Video is created. Now you can see video output.mp4 is created. Now let's try to run it, whether we have all the clip 1, clip 2, clip 3 there or not. Clip 1 is bulb, clip 2 is flower, and clip 3 is this view, beautiful view. So let's try to see it on my browser. I have opened my this file explorer. Let's try to run this. Sorry, this is program. Let's try to run the video output. Okay, this is my video output. So you can see the images there first, then second image, and then the third image. So a video has been created. You can see the timeline also. Let me play it again. For 2 seconds bulb is there, and then after 2 seconds flower is there for 3 seconds, and then from the 5th second or 6th second this third view is there. So in this way I have created one mini video using 3 images as an input, and I have concatenated all these images into one video output which is in the mp4 format. You can see video output.mp4. So in this way you can programmatically create your videos if you have a bunch of photos, and you can write any text also onto your photographs. I have created separate video that how you can add text to your photos. So if you want to add certain text to your photos before creating a video out of it, you can refer to a video. I'll share that video link also in this video description, that how to add text to your photos programmatically, and then using this program you can create a beautiful video of images which can have your text also written on that. So I'll share this code base also, as well as the link to the other video also if you want to add text to that images. So I'll share all the links for this code as well as that video link in the video description. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do share it with others, do subscribe LimeGuru channel, and do not forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching.